If your TCL Roku TV is connected to a soundbar through HDMI ARC, but suddenly there's no sound, or your TV can't detect the soundbar, don't start resetting everything just yet. In most cases, the problem comes down to the ARC connection, an audio setting, or a failed HDMI handshake. So let's start with the fixes most likely to get your sound back. First, check the HDMI connection. Make sure the cable is connected to the HDMI port labeled ARC on your TCL Roku TV. On the soundbar, it should be connected to the HDMI out or ARC port. Also, make sure your soundbar is powered on, not muted, and set to the correct input. Some soundbars can switch between HDMI, optical, Bluetooth, and other inputs, so make sure it's actually set to HDMI ARC. Next, let's refresh the ARC connection from the TV. Press the Home button and go to Settings, then System, and select Control Other Devices, or CEC. Make sure HDMI ARC is enabled. If you see System Audio Control, turn that on as well. Then select Search for CEC devices. This forces the TCL Roku TV to look for your soundbar again, which can help if it was working before, but suddenly stopped being detected. If the soundbar is detected but you still have no audio, the next thing to check is the audio format. Go back to Settings, open Audio, and look for SPDIF and ARC, or Digital Audio Output, depending on your Roku TV model. If it's set to Auto or another format, try changing it to PCM Stereo. Sometimes the TV is sending an audio format that the soundbar isn't properly processing. PCM is a simple format supported by most soundbars, so if the sound comes back after changing this setting, you've found the problem. If that still doesn't work, it's time to completely reset the HDMI connection. Turn off both the TV and soundbar and unplug them from power. Then disconnect the HDMI cable from both devices. Wait for about a minute. Now reconnect the HDMI cable firmly to the ARC ports, plug the soundbar and TV back in, and turn them on. This is important because HDMI ARC relies on a handshake between the TV and soundbar, and sometimes that connection simply gets stuck. Disconnecting everything and starting again can force both devices to establish a fresh connection. Still no sound? Try using a different HDMI cable. Even if the cable still displays video properly, ARC or CEC communication can sometimes fail. You can also temporarily disconnect any other HDMI devices from your TV, such as a Fire Stick, game console, or streaming device. Then test the soundbar again. And before moving to a reset, check for a software update. Go to Settings, System, Software Update, and select Check Now. If nothing has worked, you can try resetting the TV's audio and picture settings. And only as a last resort should you consider a full factory reset of the TV or soundbar. Try these steps in order, and your TCL Roku TV should be sending sound through your HDMI ARC soundbar again.